Alright, what are you guys gonna do?
Oh.
Good job, guys.
I almost jumped too far, Ben.
What?
I almost jumped too far.
What?
I almost went too far.
Yeah.
I almost jumped too far. Alright, one more time.
And then?
Yeah.
You're going to stay out the video?
Yeah. Wanna go one more time?
I don't want to go one more time.
Ben, come over here and show me what you do when you get down and do your hut-hut.
Yeah, let's go see.
Come closer.
What cadence do you do?
I don't know.
Go. Finger.
Okay, get down.
Ready, two.
Look at Mommy when you do it.
Ready, two.
That's pretty cool.
Alright, what do you think? Okay.